Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you the fastest trains in the world 2019. Number 10. THSR 700T 186.4 mph Taiwan. The high-speed electric multiple-unit trainsets belong to Japanese Shinkansen family for Taiwan high-speed rail and primarily based on the 700 series Shinkansen. Number 9. ETR 500 Frecciarossa. The speed can reach up to 186.4 mph. This train is from Italy. Number 8. SNCF-TGV Duplex. The speed can reach up to 198.8 mph. This train is from France. Number 7. Alstom Euro Duplex. The speed can reach up to 198.8 mph. This train is from Japan. Number 6. E5 Series Shinkansen Hayabusa. The speed can reach up to 198.8 mph. This train is from Japan. Number 5. Talgo 3500. The speed can reach up to 217.4 mph. This train is from Spain. Number 4. Siemens Velero. The speed can reach up to 217.4 mph. This train is from Spain. Number 3. AGV Italo. The speed can reach up to 223.6 mph. This train is from Italy. Number 2. Harmony CRH 380A. The speed can reach up to 236.12 mph. This train is from China. Number 1. Shanghai Maglev. The speed can reach up to 267.8 mph. This train is from China. The world's fastest train isn't the newest, the shiniest, or even the one with the most expensive tickets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.